Okay. First of all, I wanted to share how thankful I am kay Mr. Chinkitan because I was able to purchase 4 properties just by following his 2 books.
Good job, good job.
Ang akin lang po question is, I was able to build 4 training centers in Salmon Island for freelancers, and I've also partnered with virtual assistance agencies in the United States, but I am stuck in getting leads, getting clients because of my poor habits na, oh my God, I'm shaking. Nawawala yung drive ko whenever I take a vacation. So I just wanted to ask if you, the coaches here, and Mr. Chinkitan have courses to help me get back or get my drive sa pag-hustle or pag kukuha ng mga clients ko. Oh my God, I'm very nervous. So, yun lang. Yung mga courses or saan po namin after this event.
Sige, ako na lang muna. Ayan, I think, yeah. So, for that, no, ako personally, so people would think na because I'm super active now when it comes to getting clients, talking to a lot of people, doing webinars, and then sobrang active rin ako sa social media. So, feeling ng mga tao, halos di na ako natutulog and all that. Pero may mga times rin na I feel demotivated, no? And I would usually share it to my husband, no? And he would comfort me. And sabi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko dito? Especially during the pandemic. So, what I did, no, after nung pandemic, I started meeting other people, no? So, if you're a freelancer and hindi ka ganun ka nakakalabas, I think it's important for mental health din, no? To you to go out, no? You don't have to organize an event kasi it's another headache din for you. But if you can attend, no, events where you can meet like-minded people, just like what you're doing, no, mga agency owners din, na makakaintindi sa'yo, it will help you talaga. Ayan.
Good luck po. Thank you.
Hi, good morning pa ba? So, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I'm Apple Manansala from the new channel. Thank you for your question. I think I wanna add to that because baka mas maraming babae yung nakaka-experience niyan, no? With due respect, Sir Chicky, and to everyone. Kasi parang sanay tayo na maraming ginagawa at the same time, pero mas mabilis rin tayong mapagod. So siguro first of all, isipin mo na normal yung pinagdadaanan mo. Wala ka namang compete sa gagawin mo. So actually, most of the time, you just have to realize na ang kakompetensya natin yung sarili natin. So I always tell whenever I'm invited to sessions like this, you always start it with yourself. Now, congratulations, you already did a great job. Nobody should validate that but yourself. And then you find your inner circle, and dapat love and happy ka dun sa ginagawa mo. Because just like us, no, like ako, I have an 11-year-old son. I have been here in Davao. It's my first time here. I've been here for 3 things. No, 1, to create more businesses. Sabi nga ni MK, minsan nalilito na raw siya kung paano niya ako ipapakilala. So, because my intent is to become the Jill of all trades and a master of 10. So I have to be that. I have to be a mom. I have to be a wife. I have to be a business owner. I have to be a community builder. I have to be a women leader supporter. I have to be a financial advocate and so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, you have to create something that makes you happy. Kasi that's where you're supposed to be starting from. If you are creating something great from a place of happiness, and happiness is very, iba-iba tayo ng happiness. Ako, pakainin mo ako ng ice cream from Jollibee, masaya na ako eh. So, ewan ko sa inyo kung ano yung happiness nyo.
I-treat kita.
Ayun, diba? So, depende ko ano yung happiness. Pero at any point in your life, dapat mahanap mo yan. I first personally found it when I was 38 years old. So that was during the time of pandemic. When I was questioning myself, bakit parang kung nag-isip ako iba, pag nagsalita ako, parang dire-diretso. Ganon. So, and then you realize that those skills are actually talents. So where you are, find your happiness, find your inner core, magkaroon ka ng warm bodies kasi mapapagod ka talaga. So kailangan yung warm body mo, sabi ni PMK, dapat they are supporting you. No, hindi sila kailangan mag-validate, makikinig lang sila sa'yo para hindi ka mapagod. Yun, hindi ka mapagod kasi talagang kahit na umabot ka pa dun sa end, hindi mo titigilan. And another reminder, yung gagawin mo ngayon, dapat 5-10 years from now, proud ka pa rin. Huwag kang gagawa as much as possible ng bagay na kakalimutan mo na siya sa mga next seasons in your life. Dapat progressive ka.
O siguro, last na lang siguro. Guys, lahat kayo, you're giving. Do you agree? You're giving your service, your time. Always remember, you can never give what you do not have. You cannot give out of an empty tank. So make sure you're part of a community that you're also receiving. Find a coach and a mentor who can really speak into your life. I don't know if you will believe this. I myself have coaches and mentors. Because hindi nyo ba napapansin, mabilis magbigay ng advice sa iba, pero napakahirap advice ang sarili. I don't advise myself. So I find other people who are better than me, more learned than me, and I'm really so thankful that whenever I have problems, I go to Francisco. He's the one who coaches me and mentors me in my career and what I'm doing. So it helps me a lot.
Sorry. I just want to add something about what they said. And coming from someone that has an agency or a BPO firm, I totally understand sometimes when you go out, or if there's like a short period of time that you got idle, then sometimes you lose the track. But I want you to go back to the vision and mission of your company, because that doesn't stop anytime. And if you have a roadmap, that will give you the step-by-step progress that you want to achieve. Like for example, this year, next year, 3 years. Because you have started the business, and I want you to have a stable business, or the stability of the business should be always there, regardless wherever you go. So to answer your question, do we have courses to offer so you learn how to get back that fire within you? Personally, I don't have any courses to offer you, but I'd rather advise you to go back or to identify the vision and mission of your company or whatever you're doing right now as an entrepreneur.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God.